to get your reactions. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Perry makes the world go round. That is so awesome. This is such a surprise, to be honest. Yeah, it says Perry makes the world go round.
Just make this gift before I got insulting to it.
Oh my goodness.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, sick.
Oh my goodness. You know, I actually really needed headphones.
Me too, same.
Oh my goodness. How like the headphones go like this?
I want to try them on right now.
Oh my goodness, and they're so comfortable. Can you make these longer?
There's so many banging tracks on the train.
Jeez, these are so comfortable. Sequoia. It's like soundproof, so yeah. It's so crazy. Like I can't hear.
Yes, it's the silence. Yeah.
It's like a sound reduction or acoustic reduction.
Noise cancelling.
Yeah, noise cancelling.
That's sick for the plane.
That is awesome. That is crazy.
No crying babies or anything.
Yeah, sure. Oh, it's even got the Nando little symbol inside.
How cute.
Custom made skull candy headphones.
That is very cool,
That
hey?
is crazy. So cool.
So you like moving on? I'm like.
Awesome, needed a pen.
Oh, sick. Oh, this is so good.
Oh goodness. Oh yes. Oh yes. I am going to
With the littlest of shorts.
Yes.
Oh,
Wear my little green shorts with you.
I know, Luke, you need socks.
Oh, so this wants to do a call. Hi, fine, thanks, and you?
Did you guys get your backpacks?
We've just received them now.
Just received them now.
So none of you traveled. Any of you traveled overseas?
Yeah.
And just, it's a great networking opportunity. I know God spoke about that. So just a few things.
Very excited because it's my first time overseas and I've always wanted to go to London. I've always wanted to see the UK, and obviously just having everything sorted and prepared for you on your first time traveling internationally is really a big help, and I think it's going to be great. So I can't wait.
And I think it's super exciting that we get to meet like so many new students.
Yeah.
That are also producers and just love music, and get to know them and collaborate with them, and obviously attend the workshops, but also spend time in London. It's my first time going to England, and yeah, I'm super excited there.
So I've seen seen the actual building. I've seen a few of the acts who've played there. I think Pink Floyd played in the 70s and they were like huge. So Amy Winehouse, that was like obviously around 10 years ago. She was always seen in Camden, and so yeah, it's great. And even now they have like shows running all throughout the year, so it's great. The facilities look incredible. I can't wait to just get in there and actually use equipment and meet people and all of that kind of stuff.
Super stoked with these socks, I have to say.
That is very cool.
Yeah, so awesome.
Well, I hope you guys have a great time.
Searching for the sweet